Hi, and welcome to another Dunedin Public Art Gallery Home Learning Workshop. I'm John, and this workshop is called Tricky Pics. Our local newspaper often has puzzles in it, and this puzzle is called Spot the Difference. These two pictures look just the same, but there's actually 10 differences, and you have to find them all. So I thought you might enjoy making a spot the difference for yourself. So first you're going to need some paper. Photocopy paper is good because it's nice and thin. And I've drawn a picture on here, and this is some soft toys in a window, because when I go up the street I see lots of soft toys in the window. And so I've drawn that picture. Oh, there's Max, he's found the biscuits, so he's going to have those. Now, if you've got a printer at home, well, and it can photocopy, that's great. All you need to do is to photocopy this, get some twink or whiteout, and those products will look like this. White out the bits you want to change, go over them, print it again, and then you've got two different versions. But of course, not everybody's got a printer at home. So, I'm going to show you how to do your own version. Take this over to the window, put some sticky tape on the top, put it at chair height because you're going to be sitting down to do some drawing. So just put that on the window, get another bit of photocopy paper and put it on the top like that. Now I know you can't see through it, but when it's on the window you will be able to see through it, and you've got a nice flat surface to draw on. So copy what you see just lightly in pencil. And then, when you go over it, you can make it dark like this. But that's when you make your changes. I've used some black colouring in pencil to do that. So here's my two versions. There's lots of differences between these, even though they look just the same. And then you colour it in. And to colour this one in, I did use colouring in pencils. And in the background I used paint because I thought, oh, that's too big an area to use with colouring in pencils. So you can have a lot of fun with your family and they try and find all the differences. I'm going to let you in on a secret. I'm going to show you some of the differences between these two. Look at the spider here. It's got 8 legs. This one's only got 7 legs. And this little rabbit's got a wristwatch. No wristwatch on this rabbit. This bear's got a blue bow tie, and this one has got a stripy bow tie. Look at Buzzy Bee. It's got a sting. No sting on this Buzzy Bee. And these two crowns are different. And this girl has got a wand with a star, and this wand is a heart. Now there are lots more differences, and it's fun to find them all. So, what are you waiting for? Get busy and make your own spot the difference, your own tricky pics, and we'll catch you next time on another Dunedin Public Art Gallery home learning video. Bye now.